Hello, you're with Chinchu. Today we are going to discuss about ACCA, which is Global CA, or you also say as International CA, which is a very relevant as well as a professional course, and many of you might be knowing already, right? In this video we are going to detailedly discuss about scope, salary, job opportunities, let it be the syllabus, whatever things you want to know about. In this video we are going to cover it in detail. If you are new here, consider subscribing. I'll be uploading more informative videos quite often. Before getting started, I would love to thank Unacademy, the perfect partner for your dream course, to help me bring this video to you. Not getting authorized proper notes, not getting individual attention, there comes Unacademy with the perfect solution for all your problems in this pandemic. A great news for all the CMA intermediate students in particular. Unacademy has launched its first ever CMA intermediate batch, which is called Evolve, for its aspirants of June 22nd in particular. A comprehensive batch for all CMA intermediate Group 1 aspirants, starting right from 6th September 2021. You know what is the greatest advantage over here? That is, you can study with the top educators of India. Evolve also has another comprehensive batch for its CMA Intermediate Group 2 aspirants, which is starting right from 7th October 2021. Now let me just take you through briefly what exactly a subscription is. A subscription, that is more than just classes. Live interactive classes, recorded lectures with unlimited watch hours, access to notes from all the educators at one place. What else you need? Updated study material along with practice mock test papers. A perfect combo in order to clear your examinations. What are you waiting for? Get your subscription today, right now, right here. All subjects at the price of one. Wow! Can you imagine this? One subscription for all batches, revision classes, fast track batches and test series. In addition to this, just use my promo code, which is CHINCHU10, CHINCHU10, to get an additional 10% off. Isn't it a great deal to go for? What else you need? Updated study material along with practice mock test papers. A perfect combo in order to clear your examinations. What are you waiting for? Get your subscription today, right now, right here. All subjects at the price of one. Wow! Can you imagine this? One subscription for all batches, revision classes, fast track batches and test series. In addition to this, just use my promo code, which is CHINCHU10, CHINCHU10, to get an additional 10% off. Isn't it a great deal to go for? What are you waiting? The perfect plan to clear your June 22nd examinations. Start your preparation with Evolve batch in right October itself. Practice MTPs and RTPs right in the December. Coming towards March, there is going to be a quick revision with top-notch educators. And towards the last month, which is June, one-day revision marathons for all the subjects out there. And finally, what you can see. Congratulations, you move on to the next challenge. Right, you can see congratulations pass on your screen for sure. Subscription. What exactly is plus subscription? CMA Intermediate Group 1. Alright, there is 3 plans for a plus subscription. The very first one is 24 months plan, which is a 2-year plan wherein you will be paying 900 rupees per month. There is an 18-month plan wherein you will be paying around 1000 rupees per month, and there is this short duration 1-year plan wherein you will be paying around 1350 rupees per month. So what is ACCA? International CA, or you got to say like Global CA, right? Exactly. It's globally recognized in more than 180 countries, which is the greatest advantage comparison to other professional courses. What is ACCA? The full form of ACCA, right? Association of Chartered Certified Accountants is the full form of ACCA. It's a global CA. Now let's talk about eligibility of ACCA. The minimum eligibility of ACCA is just 10th grade pass. Yes, you heard me right. Just 10th grade is eligible for enrolling for this particular course. Alright, you could be 12 graduate, you could be BCom graduate, MBA, anything. Minimum requirement in order to enroll for this course is of course 12th grade. You know what? The youngest ACCA in the whole world has cleared his all 13 papers of ACCA within an age of 18. Can you imagine that? He might have started by the age of 16 maybe, and he's the youngest ACCA. This is one of the professional courses with high demand which can be completed at a very young age, since you can get it started right from your 11th grade itself. That is, once after clearing your 10th grade, you are eligible for this. Now let's talk about examinations of ACCA. First of all, there are 3 levels for ACCA: knowledge, skill and professional levels. In their knowledge level, there are particularly 4 papers, which are also called on-demand paper. This is called on-demand just because you can appear for this examination on any day out of the 365 days in a year. For the skills and the final level, which is professional level, you can attend the examinations 4 times in a year. Probably ACCA examinations are conducted quarterly, that is right in every 3 months, once at least, which is the month of March, June, September and December, of course. And in case of the very first level, which is the knowledge level, when there is no absolutely negative marking, everything is MCQ, and obviously you can just crack it quite good with good preparation. Now let's talk about duration of ACCA. You can get it clear depending on the number of attempts you are taking in, within a period of like 2 years, 2.5, within 3 years if you are not taking multiple attempts, or very much a lot of number of. Now let's talk about pass percentage. It's around 40% or less than that. If we consider a decade ago, in comparison to other professional courses, this is having a quite good pass percentage, and of course this is a plus point for ACCA. If you're starting your ACCA journey right from the graduation or post-graduation, depending on your current qualification, you are going to get a lot of exemptions. In my case, I have completed Indian CMA, so I got around 7 papers out of 30 papers. I need to write just 6 papers. Similarly, for each and every qualification, if you are a BCom graduate, you might get around 4 exemptions. If you want to know in detail regarding the ACCA exemption, do comment below. I'll make a separate video for that. Practical knowledge is as important as theoretical knowledge, which is called PER, Practical Experience Requirement. Like any other course, say for example in case of CA or CMA, you need this 3 years of practical experience to get the membership, right? Just like that in case of ACCA, in order to get the membership, you need to have 3 years of practical experience or work experience. There are a lot of considerations and like subdivisions in that. If you want to know about that also, just ping me down. I'll make a detailed video for that. Once you complete these 13 papers of ACCA, you're gonna be said as ACCA affiliate. But after getting this 3 years of practical training, you're gonna be said as a member of ACCA. So in order to get the membership of ACCA, you need to club your practical experience along with clearing all these papers. It's a requirement in particular. Now let's talk about the scope of ACCA in India and abroad as well, okay? First of all, let's talk about in India. Since so many years, the scope of ACCA in India is tremendously increasing day by day. Particularly considering the big four such as KPMG, Deloitte, PwC and EY, they are hiring ACCA on a very good scale. ACCAs are hired in almost all the domains wherein Indian CA is hired, except for Indian law and Indian taxation. Now let's talk about ACCA scope in abroad. Majorly, as I just mentioned before, it's recognized globally in almost 180 countries, but considering in particular, the students' attraction destinations are the UK, Canada, Singapore, Dubai and Australia. A lot of hiring options are there over there. ACCA has an official portal, official job portal, which is called acccareers.com, wherein as per the individual cities and countries, all the available jobs are listed out there and you can sit anywhere in the entire world to apply for those jobs. Now let's talk about the fees of ACCA. In case of fees of ACCA, the rough average is in between 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs, wherein I'll split it again. It will cover exam fees of every time. Every time you appear for an examination, you have to pay the exam fees, which is roughly around 12k, but it varies depending on the subjects, the level and all. It increases as well as decreases. Apart from this examination fees, it also includes subscription fees and registrations, study material costs, and along with that, if you are choosing to go for any coaching, obviously coaching classes fees are also included. If you want to know in detail about the ACCA packages, salary packages, do comment. I'll make a separate video for that also. Now let's talk about job profiles of ACCA, which includes accounting advisors, mergers and acquisitions, valuation, risk advisory, forensic audit and statutory audit. Now let's talk about the most frequently asked question, salary of an ACCA. Salary of an ACCA is exactly similar to salary of that of an Indian CA when it comes to big fours, MNCs and so on. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit that bell icon too. Until next time, take care, bye-bye. And also do share with everybody out there so that they can make a well-versed decision regarding their career. You know.
Come here, let's go, come.
वीडियो शूट कर
नहीं गया।
अगर ये हम ब्लूपर्स में डाल रहे तो कमेंट्स में कहेंगे इतने बड़ी यूट्यूबर ट्राइपॉड करेंगे।
ये ट्राइपॉड है, ट्राइपॉड में एक ही सेट होता है।
हाँ तो वही बोल रहा हूँ, दूसरा ट्राइपॉड नहीं करेंगे। अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा रिकॉर्डर है, ठीक है।
तेरा शक्ल लाना ना?
नहीं
ला रहे, इतना बड़ा भी है, पता नहीं चलता बाल का।
झूलना नहीं क्या?
नहीं झूल ले, हम झूलते मिलके झूलते। ऐसे करते तो इंसान जो बड़ा क्या हो?
कुछ नहीं। देख
हाँ
इतनी दूर से समझ नहीं आता है।
हाँ
करो ना।
रो क्यों रहा है?
इधर रख लो। हाँ नहीं दिखेगा।
सही बात है ना?
हाँ
तेरे में इतना दिमाग कर। स्टार्ट कर लिया? दोबारा स्टार्ट कर, बताना पड़ेगा ना।
ठीक है
ठीक है दोबारा कर।